Lightning is one of nature's most breathtaking and most dangerous displays of raw power. In just a fraction of a second, a single strike can light up the sky, shake the ground, and leave you in absolute awe. From massive bolts splitting the night sky to trees getting destroyed, we've gathered 50 of the most incredible lightning strikes ever caught on camera. Let's get it on! Maybe it's not the smartest move to go surfing during the storm.
Oh my god, baby, the bloody London bodies me.
A single bolt of lightning can deliver more electrical energy than most cities consume in an instant. So please do not stand under high trees when the storm comes. Imagine you just got on a cruise about to start your holiday, but then this happens. Fishing rods can increase your risk of being struck by lightning because of height and the open space near water. So trust me, it's never a good idea to hold a fishing rod during a storm. Iron is a good conductor of electricity, which is why this worker felt the strike even though it did not hit him. This couple got into a car just in time. This tourist tried to capture the calm rain from his hotel balcony, but he did not capture just the rain.
But it's just beautiful. Little lightning. I love it. Watch this tree. It'll start getting real windy in just a second.
Surprisingly, the majority of people struck by lightning actually survive. The survival rate is about 80 to 90%, and luckily this fisherman is okay.
Yeah, it is.
This fan filmed the lightning during the White Sox game, and the spectators went crazy.
Just missed a huge lightning bolt.
Don't worry, man. You will get another chance really soon.
Holy
This one was so powerful, it threw in parts of the tree into the river. I hope this boat got the thunder insurance because it's gonna need it.
Охереть, а куда она ударила?
Now this is an extreme example of why you should not park under a tree during a storm. Now this is what happens when lightning strikes a poorly constructed oil tank. Usually they have lightning conductors to avoid any damage, but this one was without it. Dash cam caught lightning hitting electrical pole in Hood County, Texas. Even though it looks terrifying, luckily no one was hurt. The CN Tower in Toronto stands at 553.3 meters tall, therefore it is the usual target of lightning bolts. Wind turbines are very vulnerable to lightning strikes because of their height, exposed location, and blade materials. And as you can see, the damage can be devastating. With the height of 601 meters, the Maka Royal Clock Tower is a well-known target for the lightning strikes. This tree was completely destroyed by the lightning, but not all suffer this kind of damage. For instance, this one did not fall like the last, but the brutal strike caused fire, which it won't survive. Airplanes actually get struck by lightning quite often, but almost never suffer serious damage due to their design. This is how it looks like when scientists intentionally attract lightning bolts. During a baseball game, a massive thunder struck very close to the stadium and stole the show for a little bit. Wind turbines are designed to withstand multiple lightning strikes, but looks like this one has hit its limit.
Oh my God!
When someone tells you lightning does not strike at the same place twice, just show them this clip. This guy was holding on to the iron stairs when the lightning hit and felt its power.
The old ones used to have to sit in the middle of the tower, didn't you?
A small thunderstorm might produce only a few dozen lightning strikes. A large supercell storm may produce tens of thousands of lightning strikes. For perspective, worldwide there are about 40 to 50 lightning strikes every second, which adds up to over 3 million strikes per day. Even though it's raining, this palm tree caught fire when the lightning struck. This must be one of the longest lightning strikes we have ever seen. Even though planes get hit regularly, the passengers got a little nervous before boarding. When lightning strikes near or on a power station, it can cause automatic shutdowns to protect equipment and prevent damage.
minutes of really bad weather. See it now, it's hitting hard. That one, I might have got.
You for sure got it, mate. A woman tried to film the bad weather outside, but the nature said no. If you stop this video at the right moment, the tree struck by lightning looks like a Christmas tree. Lightning usually strikes the tallest object in an area, but this time it decided to say hello to the fish. The sirens you hear after the strike are the smoke alarms from the trailer. This is another angle of the CN Tower in Toronto enduring all these nasty hits. As you can see, the dash cams are not useful just for police and insurance. If they did not have it, we would never get to see this amazing video. This tree got struck by a lightning and probably won't survive. However, with this nice pink ribbon around its core, the chance of survival exponentially increased. The iconic Empire State Building stands tall as the storm rages around it, showcasing nature's raw power against an urban landmark. Now watch this tragedy as these two lovebirds get struck by a lightning out of nowhere.